Our next step is installing the bottom shear plate, which is a solid carbon plate. We have a blue angle jig which gives us the exact correct hole angle to drill to anchor our plate into the ground or into the floor. That way it's always perfect every time, and our installer is going to do that now. We're going to do a quick test fit to make sure the plate plugs in okay, which it should. Okay, that's how it's going to go in once it's epoxied in place, but the next thing we have to do is vacuum out all the dust so we have good adhesion. This plate will be installed on top of the grid strap after the grid strap is installed. We are going to be putting the grid strap in next, and you can watch that video.